Hi everyone, I'm here with a haul from Jesse James Beads. I ordered it a little while ago and it was supposed to be sent priority mail. It shipped on the 15th. I just got it yesterday, which was the 22nd, excuse me. Today is the 23rd. So anyway, let me get into it and show you. And the funny thing is, this is really sad. Jesse James Beads is in Bethlehem, PA. And they're about an hour and a half away from me. Maybe not even that. I guess it's maybe that long. I could have driven up there and gotten it, you know. It's just, except that we've had bad weather. So anyway, they have some new things, and I went a little, sorry for the crinkling, a little hog wild over them. I'm going to put you on pause a minute. So I think what happened was they were having a live stream with a designer. I can't remember which designer it was. And everything had butterflies and dragonflies in it. And I love butterflies and dragonflies. And yeah, I just do. So anyway, let me get into it. I got this Concord purple beaded chain, and I said I was going to open things out of the plastic, but I didn't do this one. Okay. I think this was on sale. Oh, no, this was free. It was, you get a free chain with so much of an order. Let's see if I can figure that out. No, there was a discount called Chain Love at the time. I don't think it's still going on. Anyway, these cute, dainty little chain links, a silver bead, and then these purple crystals. So I thought I would definitely be able to use that in something. You got to pick which chain reaction you wanted out of a grouping. It says open chain links to add more beads. So I guess some of these must open. Now see, these are wrap loops here, but maybe some of these other ones open. I don't know. I'll have to look at it more closely. I'm thinking you're probably going to end up cutting it. So that was the first thing. And then all these mixes they're called by what's on here. So the first one is Never Ever Give Up. Never, never give up. And it's like Pantone colors. It's got this yellow boy, that's blurry and glary. Butterfly charm. Boy, very blurry. Let me turn this light up a little further and see if that helps. I don't know. Wow, that's really better down here. I'm going to open only one. And then the thing they were showing, and at first when I got these, I'm like, I don't see what they were showing. Watch your packaging, guys. They're in the back here to keep them flat. And I asked what these were made of, and they said it was actually Sarah who answered me from Jesse James Beads, and she said they're made out of fabric. So I am particularly interested in seeing these. Before I do that, let me just show you the colorway. So Never Never Give Up is this one. It's yellows and grays and blacks, and there's some gold rondelles, but there's also some silver in it. So a pretty mix. I'd call it a mini bead mix, but some of them are a little bigger. But I like the mini bead mixes anyway. Then the next one I got two of because I have a friend, I don't know if she's watching or not, but one of these is for her. And it's purples and pinks. Now she likes like purples, greens, that kind of thing. But it says not sisters by blood, but sisters by heart. And because of this lovely pandemic, we really haven't gotten to see each other for like a year. So I'm anxious to put this in a little bag I have for her and give it to her. And then I'm gonna have one also. And then if we each make our own thing together at some point or separately, and then share what we've made, and then we can wear our necklaces or whatever whenever we go out to eat somewhere together or do something. So I thought that was fun. And here's the fabric. It's supposed to be like a tulle. It's like a sheer fabric. I don't know. Boy, this is really There we go. And they have a little silver ring on, so those are pretty cool. I don't know how I'm going to use that yet. So that was Sisters by Heart. And then the next one is Follow Your Heart, which is one of my favorites, the blue with silver findings, some brass or bronze, which I also love. Ooh, some iridescent. I think we'll open that one, and then those are the wings. Now, I think my friend would also like these because her birthday is in September. She's a sapphire girl, but I didn't get that one for her. Sorry. And then this one here is Believe You Can, and it says she believed she could, so she did. And I like this one because it's a neutral kind. I like them all. They're just beautiful. And this has like bronze or gold veins in the butterfly wings. So pretty. And then it's got creams and bronze and antique gold. There are some flowers in there. Beautiful butterfly charms. Yeah, so I got every single one of them. This one I got 2. And then I did get 2 other mixes. This was actually on sale. It's White Label Parfait is what it was called. They're oh, these, by the way, were $14.99 a mix. And then this one was $10.19. And it was on sale. Now, of course, I'm in Pennsylvania. I have sales tax. Those are different. They're clear with a stripe. I'm not sure how I feel about those. I think this is a cute mix. I don't know if I really love it, but I did at the time, apparently. And then the last one I got is a Dragonfly Bead mix, and Nevertheless She Persisted. Love the Dragonfly. Also has wings. Look at these colors. They're like peacock colors almost. But dragonflies, yeah, really sheer wings. I love that. And an Aurora Borealis crystal in that one. So just gorgeous, and some drops, and you know, yeah. So these were all the new mixes that they had, and this was on sale, and the chain was free with a coupon code. So let's open this one up and see. I'll be right back. Okay, so this is called Follow Your Heart. These, you get 2 sets of these wings. So, and they're very sheer and beautiful, and they have a little silver jump ring on them, which I'm trying to figure out. I think they're just sort of stitched through it. Very sheer, but pretty. So, and there's the other set of them. So, yeah, I don't know how I'm going to use them yet, but they'll get used. And then we have these coins that are like an iris on one side and sort of milky white on the other. The Follow Your Heart charm, which is single-sided, but you could add color. It's a little bit concave on the back. And then a couple of these interesting beads, metal beads, and a couple drops, which are beautiful blue iris kind of color, and so are these. So every kit's going to be a little different. I'm not going to open them all right now because they're similar, you know. And then we have these beautiful blue drops, glass drops. A couple of these that sort of look like the tail of the butterfly, maybe, right? And oh, 2 more of these. And then here's our butterfly charm, which actually has gold on the back. It's single-sided and it's enameled. Beautiful blue. There, we put that in the middle of the wings. And then we have some bronze spacers, or bead, nope, they're spacers. I thought maybe they were bead caps there for a minute, but they're like a rope spiral. I don't know if you can see that. Come on, there we go. Then we have some silver bead caps. Looks like I got 3 of those, unless nope, 4 of those. and 2 of these spacers, which are sparkly and spirally all around. Come on, focus. Come on, really? I don't know why that's... There we are. Okay, so we got 2 of those. And several cube beads, which are like, I think, did I get 3 of those? I think I only, oh no, 4 of those as well. They have a hint of blue on them. They're like a gray with a blue. There, you can see it. And some rondelles in the iris, small rondelles. And some tiny little blue glass cubes and some milky aqua. And look at these tiny little, oh my gosh, these are so cute. Tiny little daisy spacers. I don't believe I've ever seen them that small. That is so cute. I don't know if it's going to focus for us or not. Come on. Come on, focus. Anyway, you can see how tiny they are. They're probably, I don't even think they're 4mm. I think they're probably 3. There we go. So lots of the, like 10 of those. And then just some like milky crystal, some tiny little drops here. Also, they're also very cute. Again, I don't know that I've ever seen drops that tiny. And yeah, so a pretty aqua, blue, sapphire-y mix of glass and metal beads. And trying to see, okay, 4 of the little cubes and 3, 6, 7, 8 of these rondelles, and I think 8 of these rondelles, and probably about 10 of those tiny little spacers. So cute. So some bronze, some antique silver, and then all these beautiful metallic-y and aqua colored beads. So that is the one called Follow Your Heart. And the leaves, again, will be in a plastic bag attached to the back. And then your beads will be on top of them in another bag like that. So I'm not going to open all of them, but I hope you enjoyed that. I don't know if they're still available because this took from, let's see, does it have an order date? I ordered it on the 12th. I received it on the 22nd, Monday the 22nd, even though it was sent priority on the 15th. So, yeah, go figure. Anyway. That's all I have for now. Please come back and watch any other videos, my jewelry makes that I have. I hope to be getting some more of those out in the near future. Probably within the next week I'll have 1 or 2 of those videos out. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Talk to you soon. Hugs, love, and peace.